Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows here, if you can see them. So it's a pretty simple, easy technique that I use. I don't like to spend a whole lot of time on my eyebrows, but they do need to be snatched. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved these eyebrows, then please stay tuned. But before we get started into this video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit the bell notification button so you never miss any of my videos. All right, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this like razor thing. You can get this at like the beauty supply store or I think Walgreens and stuff. So since my eyebrows are still like really like, my eyebrows are really like bushy and stuff, they're not really done. So what I'm gonna do is just take this and I'm just gonna clean it up around the edges here. I'm just going down. I like to lift the brow and just like clean it up here. I like to clean around it too, just so I can get, you know, a lot of that other stuff out the way. Pull it up again and get these ones at the bottom. Sometimes what I'll do is just take some scissors and I'll like brush these hairs up just kind of like that, and then just do some of these, just clip them a little bit. I don't really need to do too much on that one. So, and then if I can't get them with this little razor thing, then I just go ahead and pluck where it needs to be plucked. And it's okay if you mess up and like take more hair off than you meant to, because you can just always clean that up or fill them in with your brow stuff, your brow makeup stuff. So, because I've done it plenty of times. So now that I've cleaned them up, now I'm going to just go ahead and fill them in with, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade, and it's in the shade Ebony. And then I'm going to just take this little like spoolie slash, I guess, eyebrow brush from Ardell. I don't know what number this is. So, just gonna dip it in there. I don't use a lot, I just kind of like dip in just a tad. And I'll just fill them in. So I start at the bottom very lightly, like I do it very lightly, because with this stuff it's pretty thick. So I like to just go really light. Then same thing at the top here. Then I create my little arch at the top there. So then I just fill them in the center of where everything was. And so you see, if you can see kind of right here, I like messed up a little bit, but that's okay because we're going to use concealer to just clean that up. So I'm going to go here very lightly. And I'm going to take the end of this brush and just brush this top part out so I can blend in that line that I created here. next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna conceal under my eyebrows with my Pro Concealer here in the color, let me look, Toffee. So I'm just gonna take this, put some on my hand, on the back of my hand, and then just dip my brush in there. I'm just gonna bring that down just so I can blend it out. Okay, so that's pretty much all I do for that. Okay, so that's pretty much it that I do for my eyebrows. Usually after this portion, I just like put my foundation on, and then I just blend in the foundation with, you know, the conceal and everything like that. But pretty much that's it. I feel like they're uneven, but that could just be me. But yeah. Alright guys, so that was it for this video. Super easy, super simple, did not take too long. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned on my channel for new videos every week. Bye!